Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to your Revolut Revolut card. So first of all, you want to go ahead and swap your cryptocurrency either to euros or first maybe to USDC, which means that you will be able to exchange it in lower fees. So let's explore the assets. And now, once you will choose convert or sell, you can go ahead and sell your cryptocurrency. So for example, you're gonna choose any crypto you want to go ahead and sell. You will choose the euros wallet, and then you're gonna basically enter the amount and sell it for euros. Now, on the My Assets, you will see here your total balance will increase after you will exchange it and sell it. So you want to click these three lines and click withdraw. After that, you will be able to see this cash out option. Now, first, you of course need to go ahead and add a payment method. You will see it here at the top. So you want to click add payment method, choose credit debit card. And now from here, you will be able to enter your name, card number. So enter the Revolut card number, expiration date, and CVC, and enter the postal code. After this, you will add a card and you will be able to cash out to Revolut. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.